Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable Google Translate on the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up Chrome and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. And now on the left side, you want to select where it says Languages. And now on the right side, scrolling down underneath Google Translate, use Google Translate. Go ahead and toggle that to the right to enable that, and then you can change what language you want it to be translated into. You can also set automatically translate into these languages or never offer to translate into languages for certain options here too. And by selecting the trash bin icon, you can delete those options. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.